Kelly from Sevamob, and I am cheap. In the next 6 minutes, I'm going to show you how to make primary healthcare up to 50% cheaper and way more accessible. So, underserved urban and rural areas have a scarcity of healthcare services and physicians. And this is not just true for developing countries, even developed markets have this issue, like in the US. So, our solution is to provide an artificial intelligence enabled primary healthcare platform to organizations. It's a B2B model. The platform has three components. The first component is on site pop up clinics. These are very asset light. We take our stuff in a suitcase and take a team with us with rental vehicle, and we provide comprehensive primary care on site, which includes general health, vision, dental, nutrition, cardiometabolic, infectious disease, ENT, so on and so forth. Each one of these includes consult, some point of care diagnostics, and some treatment option. Our second component is telehealth. This is used to provide care between the pop-up clinic visits. This includes video consults, second opinion, and web-based advice. It works on web as well as mobile, and there are plenty of patient data management and other analytics capabilities in it. Our third component, and this is what's really unique, is our artificial intelligence-based triage, consultation, and diagnostics. By using this, a nurse with our software and some very basic hardware like a microscope or a fundus camera can detect 3 different vision conditions like diabetic retinopathy, cataract, and glaucoma, or can detect 11 different fungal infections at point of care, or can do simple blood analysis like figuring out if the RBC count or WBC count or platelet count is low. And we are expanding this list to include more medical conditions as we speak. So as you can imagine, this reduces the need for ophthalmologist, a dermatologist, or a pathologist at point of care, and oftentimes they're not even available there. So our target market is primary healthcare services. Just considering India, that's $100 billion market. Considering US, that's $248 billion right there. And within this market, we have different customer segments. So for example, we sell employee health and corporate CSR use cases to employers. We sell to a variety of NGOs who implement, subcontract the work to us in different areas. We sell to pharmaceuticals and hospitals who outsource and provide us white label marketing opportunities in different areas. And then different guys take from us our technology. This is just a sampling of our existing customers. These include the top 4 microfinance companies in India, top public sector utilities like Indian Oil, Bharat Petroleum, Hindustan Petroleum, hospitals like Apex Hospital, big NGOs like Swasti and Udyogini, and Nelson Mandela Children's Fund in South Africa, big retail chains like Pick and Pay, which is used for employee health as well as marketing activities. It includes local governments like the government of Rajasthan in India. It includes local municipalities, like for example in South Africa, we work with local 2 municipalities. And in the US, we have signed up our first customer, which is Fulton County Senior Community Center. So impact, currently we are doing 15,000 patient consults per month across 3 geographies. Some of our impact includes a reduction of malnutrition by 15%, dental issues by 30%, vision defects by 25%, and this is just the start. Our business model is 2 revenue streams. One is we charge for service delivery on a $1 per day basis or a $1 per unit per month basis. And then second, we license our technology to others, for which we charge on a software as a service model. Our competitive advantage. We are the only company which is currently putting together these 3 components into a single integrated platform and can reduce the cost of primary healthcare by up to 50%. There's no other company doing that in our integrated fashion. So, sales and marketing strategy. We, in core areas, have B2B sales teams which sell to B2B business customers. And then in additional areas, like for example, in South Africa and Botswana, we have local franchisees. In the US, we have started in the market through resellers, so which keeps our cost of customer acquisition low by using this strategy. These are our current coverage areas. These include the top 10 plus states in India. It includes 2 provinces in South Africa. It includes Botswana. And as I mentioned, in January, we started in the US. Thanks to Trump, we have a lot of potential patients there now. So our roadmap is to get from 73 plus pop-up clinics, which we have currently in those areas, to roughly 3.5x that number within the next couple of years. And to get, right now we have 30 plus organizations paying for our software. So to get that number up to at least 10x in the same time frame. Majority of our pop-up clinics are sustainable. In terms of financials, this financial year, which ends on March 31st, we are doing around $800,000 USD, which is up from 446K the previous year. And our gross margins are currently around 30%. We'll break even by March of 2019. As part of a leadership team, I have managed several multi-million-dollar products for IBM. I also co-founded a profitable mobile technology company. Our VP of sales has 20 plus years in pharmaceutical companies. Our chief technology officer, 10 plus years managing AI, web, mobile, and other technologies. Our CMO has 7 plus years as a physician. Our chief, we have a CEO based in Africa, and she manages public-private partnerships. Awesome advisory board, lots of relevant healthcare and exit experience. Tons of awards and recognition, including last month, we were named top 10 artificial intelligence healthcare providers in the US by a Silicon Valley-based magazine. And currently, we are looking for 1.5 million USD. We already have commitment from existing investors. We have already raised $892,000 USD from impact investors, primarily from US and UK based impact funds. And our exit strategy is to be acquired by a hospital chain or a diagnostics chain or a clinic chain. So I'll wrap up by saying, if with $890,000 USD, we can develop a cutting-edge IP, replicate in 3 different geographies, and serve 15,000 patient consults per month, imagine what we can do with $1.5 million. Thank you.